I'm going to explain you this chapter, section B. The name of the chapter is Funny Juan. Here I'm talking about, it's not a word but it's a name of a boy, and he's really very funny and lazy. And even you will, I'm sure you will, when you listen to this kind of explanation, you listen to the story about this boy, you'll surely laugh, because this is a very funny story. So once upon a time there was a boy, his name was Juan, and he was very much lazy. Did you see that Doraemon cartoon? In that cartoon also there's a character, his name is Nobita. The same kind of boy this Juan is. So he used to keep on sleeping only whole day under the tree. There was a big banyan tree in front of his house, and he used to keep on sleeping only whole day, wasting his time under that tree, and he was not doing any kind of work. His mother was completely tired of this boy, completely fed up of this boy. So one day she thought of giving him a kind of work, and she came to him and she said that you are so lazy that whole day you waste your time in sleeping only, but today I have a work for you. Go to market and get me big, fresh and yummy crabs. I want alive crabs, and I'm going to cook crabs for the dinner today. And along with that, I want a small packet of salt. So this boy, he took the money from his mother, went to the market and bought the crabs and salt. When he was coming back, the crabs were alive. When he was coming back, he met his friend, and his friend told him, would you like to play with me? All his friends were playing there. So he said no. He said that I have to go to my mother first. I have to give all this to my mother, and I do not have time for all this. But he couldn't resist, and he got tempted. So he decided that what to do with the crabs if I start playing here. What will happen, and what will be about what I have to do with the crabs? I cannot leave them like this. So he said, he put the crabs down on the road near a river, and he told the crabs that go right first and then take a turn to the left side. There you will find a big banyan tree, and you will find my mother in that house, the house in front of that banyan tree. Just go directly into the house, in the kitchen, and my mother is waiting for you. So she'll cook you. So in this way, he gives the instructions to the crabs, and then he does with the remaining salt, the salt packet that was having, he puts the packet into the river. Where the water was shallow, it wasn't deep. But what he did, he put the packet of that salt in the shallow water and started playing. When his mother came there calling him, he went home, and after that he told his mother. His mother asked about both the things, about the crabs and the salt. He explained. He said that the crabs didn't come here till yet. I had already left them, and I had told the crabs even that you have to take a turn left and all. I had given them full address. Then also they didn't come till yet. So the mother was very angry. Then she asked about the salt, and he said that I had put the salt in a very safe place, that was a shallow water. So in this way, but when I went, after playing, when I went to get that salt packet back, it wasn't there. It had got melted up completely. So his mother got very much angry, and she slammed the door, and he was left alone outside thinking about what wrong he had done. So isn't it a funny chapter? I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.